The way to really get this to the next level is to tell them why you agree with them. I agree with you because, and then tell people the reason you agree and watch the objection just fade away. Now, when you're doing this, you want to avoid kind of a nasty word, and that word is but. Okay? What comes after a but usually? So just try and avoid the word but. I agree with you because. Now, if somebody said the price of the car is too high, what's a real reason you could agree with them? I agree with you because everything's high right now. Yeah, it's crazy out there. I take a look at milk and I'm like, whoa. And the easiest way to get along with somebody is to go into agreement. You know what? I agree with you. The prices on everything are too high these days. And you're doing the right thing calling first to get the pricing before you come down. The objection just goes away. You ever get in an argument with your significant other? You can end the argument pretty quick with 2 words. You're right. And if you even want to get more, you're right because you're so smart, you're so great, you're so awesome. Get in the habit of just telling people that they're right.